you can say goodbye to that dust, those dust mites and allergens. This is a mattress vacuum that gives your bed a deep clean in minutes. With the powerful suction and the UV light, it eliminates what you can see, keeping your sleep and your space clean, fresh, healthy, and allergen free. This is perfect for mattresses, sofas, even pillows. You'll sleep way better, you'll breathe easier, and then it'll just help you clear your mind to know that nothing is inside of your mattress. Now, when you see it light up blue, that means that it is done and it got all the dust mites out and all the dust out. Now, when it's red, that means that it is doing its job. I'm going to show y'all on the upholstery on the bed. Look at that. Look how dusty that is, y'all. Now it's cleaning it and now it's blue. So y'all, I did link it. It is on sale right now. The link is in the caption. Orange shopping cart or